project is the wood truck. So if you remember back a few videos, we got this thing stuck.
We got ourselves in a bit of a sticky situation here. Go.
Pretty good. The winch, it's a good winch. It's just a 9,000 pounder and it didn't have enough guts to pull us up out of where we were, so we're going to upgrade it today. Put a 13,000 pounder on it. So, we haven't even opened this bad boy. We'll see if it's any good. So it's an OPR. Those are some giant stickers they send to with you. We're not so worried about stickers as we are performance. So there's the remote. It seems to be pretty snazzy. Ow, that stabbed right in my finger. Okay. Got two wireless remotes with it. Get this thing all mounted up and we'll go give her a test and see what it'll do. Open road. Right there is the kind of winch. Well, now the trick is getting this bumper out of there. Kind of got built in. We'll get it all unhooked and get it out of here and cut this little tab off. I think I got some lights too we're gonna put on the front of here that are gonna make it so you can see where you're going with this little girl. I'll get after it and tear this apart. This is a good winch. This winch is probably gonna find its way onto the Suzuki Samurai of my dad's here shortly. And then he can winch himself out of a bad situation because he finds himself in those occasionally. Winning. It's almost wood season. And this one's gonna go haul wood and earn its keep. What are you building there, Greg?
Trying to build a monster truck with shocks.
Someone mounted this winch like crooked as can be. Was it their first day? It's like twisted.
Didn't you mount that?
Are you kidding me? It was me? Ichrometer was not calibrated this day. I can tell you that looking at it now. That thing's a crooked sucker. We're gonna have to fix that. I'm completely not satisfied with that at all. It's gonna be a little more involved than I first thought it was. Got it.
See, I told you.
It did come out. Where? Yeah, this winch plate, whoever designed it, was not good.
You know you did that?
Hey, simmer down. Don't tell everybody. Now look at that. We pulled on that pretty hard. It buckled this winch plate. Well, yeah, because it's cheesy as can be. How did I ever think that was gonna work? All right, we'll fix that problem.
You can even see the holes are not even aligned.
You don't have to point everything out. That's like that. Jeez. I was in a hurry. That's what I'm saying. I was in a hurry. We'll fix this the right way. Like that. Everyone's gone in the shop again. I got my plate built. It's right there. This is all cut and ground. This is gonna set something like so. I'm gonna have to make some little connector things that connect it up to there. But yeah, that's the gist of how she's gonna go. So I'll get this all put in and then we'll fit the winch in there and see how that's gonna work. Can go with that. I wonder if this will fit. Doesn't want to fit. I don't know what to do here. This needs to be higher. All right, so I figured it out. I'm going back with what I had. I'm gonna mount the box up here because it's not gonna fit. I don't want to rechange everything. So I'm gonna weld that thing on right there and I'll build something up here for the fair lead to come into and we'll have ourselves a winch mounted. Is it the proper way to do it? No, I should probably spend some time. It's the wood truck. It's gonna get mounted. It's gonna be secure. It's never coming off. We'll go put this sucker to the test. That's always my luck. Fixed it. All right, we're getting closer. Winch is mounted. Got the fair lead tabs mounted. Now I got to put these back on right here so that we can mount that box. So I'll do that, but I got to cover the winch cable up so it doesn't get all burnt, and then we'll be fixed. We got our Kevlar blanket in there so we don't melt any holes where we don't want stuff to be. We'll weld these suckers on there. Life will be good. Voila! for a test. We're just putting the finishing touches on this thing, getting all the wires on it, and then it should function. We'll find out. And in theory, we should be able to put battery cable on, turn the winch on, and make it make noise. There's that, winch is built. We're good to go. Well, we're gonna head out, go give this winch a little bit of a workout, see how hard it pulls, see what she does, and we'll let you know what we think of it here. Did I cross the river?
Yeah. Locked up.
We didn't get stuck.
Well, I think you're stuck.
All right. We're sufficiently stuck. We can test the winch out.
Let's go look at the other side. Barry.
The other side, Barry.
Yeah.
Hey, we got us a half a load of wood from that tree.
Yep. Yep, you're good. This will give it a real test because it's on an angle.
Pull hard.
We're lifting the side of the truck up.
I'll lean forward.
Look at that. We are off the ground. Pulling it. That back tire's about to break. There she goes. I got. How was the winch?
So the winch is pretty good. As you can see, I had no trouble tugging this truck. It tipped it right up on its side. We had to reposition or it was gonna tip us over. So I think it's gonna pull this truck around good. Seems to be a good winch. The remote worked flawlessly. I mean, wirelessly, pretty happy with it. Let's get out of here. Oh, we tested the winch out. We didn't really need to go where we went, but we knew we could get stuck there.
Yeah.
So we tested it. It pulls hard. Good. So thanks for watching.